Welcome to this POSSE training video. In this video, we'll be showing you how to enter and edit mileage and time log entries in POSSE Web. Let's get started. For this video, I'm going to go to a building permit where I have an open inspection to perform. Use the building permit search, put in the file number, and let's pull it up. We'll open the conduct building inspection process. And we'll go to the mileage time log tab. Now there's a lot of data here, so I'm going to actually use this bar, slide the process out so I can see more of the fields that are shown in this pane. And I'm going to go over to the new button and enter a new mileage time log entry. Comes up in this pop-up window where I can see the process it's related to and fill out my information. We'll give it an inspected date of today. And we'll put in the other information. Once I filled out all the information for my log, I'll just click OK. And we'll see that it fills out the entire row here with the information I just added. If some of this needs to be corrected or I may have mistyped part of it, I can come over here and say, oh, this actually needs to be something else, and just make the change right in line here and make sure everything looks good before I'm ready to go. Now that I put my mileage time log in, my notes, and I've done the inspection, I can just hit complete. This one's ongoing. Now for just a moment here, we're going to go back to that process. And as you can see on the mileage time log tab, that all of these fields are now read-only. Every time you complete a process, everything on that process becomes locked down. So it's important to make sure that we get our numbers correct, because now they are uneditable. However, if we do notice an issue, we can actually edit them from the My Profile portion of our user. So if we go to the top here and click on the My Profile option, right where it says our name, we get a brand new screen here that shows the name of my user and a tab that shows a bunch of mileage time log entries starting with the date I enter here and going all the way through the current date. So right now, I am showing all the inspection time logs from May 1st all the way to today's date, which is May 13th. Now, if I notice an issue with one of my time entries, down here is where I can make any corrections I have to before the end of the month. So if I just notice that one of these numbers is off a little bit, I can make the change that I need to there, and then just hit the save. And that will keep that record modified the way I changed it. And then once I reviewed and it looks good, then I know I have all my mileage time log in for the month. And of course, if you need to view a broader range of inspections, you could of course change the start date here and click retrieve logs, and that will show you any logs between the start date and today's current date. A couple other functions as well. We do have an export to Excel here if you want an Excel spreadsheet of what you're seeing, and a text search if you need to quickly try to filter down to something that you're seeing in the grid. Lastly, we do have the green play buttons here as well. If you do want to jump and actually look at the actual building permit that you were on for this particular inspection, you can do that as well by clicking that green play button, and it does pull up the permit and the actual inspection process so you can see your notes and what you did. Anyway, that's about it. Just to recap, in this video we covered how to enter a time log and what that looks like, and then how to view the mileage time log page on the My Profile user presentation, and what it looks like to edit and modify time logs from here.